So, in the last video, I've shown you how to do the hole with a drill. Now I'm going to show you a tip to save you a bit of money, you know, as drill bits do wear out pretty quickly. So with this method, you use the same square, but you draw a circle inside of it, and then draw your lines onto the back of the tile, both to the top and side. Again, just use the tape measure to get the square and get it as accurate as you can. And then you're going to want to draw a circle again on the back side this time. Now use your grinder. And just on the back of the tile, you're just going to go round the circle. Give it a little bit extra, don't press too hard, let the grinder do the work. Then just go round in a circle like that. And you want to keep going round. Try not to let the grinder run away from you, it will try and pull away from you. And just keep going until you see a little hole up here. It means you've gone through to the other side. And just flip your tile over and get a flathead screwdriver or anything pointy like that will work. And you're just going to gently tap away the sides to make your circle.
Won't be that satisfying.
Now the inside of this circle will be sharp, so don't go putting your fingers in there once you're done. Just tap out your circle and get ready to put it in place. And there you go. I'll fix it, and there, your pipe should just come through the wall, easy as that. A bit of a more time consuming method, but grinder blades last a lot longer than drill bits do. And there, job's a good one.